Today I packed one of my favorite soups. I think I've shown me making it in previous videos, but it's just tomato soup with a lot of good vegetables and chicken. So it was really filling and delicious, and as you can see, I decided to eat in my car because I wasn't planning on going home just yet. If you see me with this mug, there's either a protein shake or hot tea inside. Today I decided to drink hot tea, and I'm cooling down my sunglasses because they were burning because it was so hot outside, and I think if I wore them straight up, they would have actually burned my face. So good thing I decided to cool them down. If you're one of the few people that watch my previous videos, thank you, I love you so much. You would know that I dropped a pretty heavy can of beans onto my foot. Ow! And I had thought that it might be a fracture because it bruised really heavily, it swelled up a lot, and it hurt really, really bad. But after I went to urgent care, they told me that it wasn't a fracture, thank God. It was just a bone bruise, so I just had to refrain from walking on it a lot and ice it a bit. Okay, so this next part of the vlog is extremely exciting. As you can see, there's a beautiful calico cat right here, and my uncle, he loves to foster cats, so he brought one home, and she will be staying with us for the next few weeks. But as you saw just now, she was quite shy in the beginning. She just wanted to stay in her little crate, but after a little bit, she became super friendly. All she wanted was pets, and she wanted to play for hours. You can see her rubbing against my legs here. She's just the loveliest, and so I'm so delighted to have her in our home for the next few weeks. All the litter on the floor. Ow! Your nails, dude. Your nails. Hi. Oh. Is it yummy? Hello. Do you want to come up? She is just the most adorable, wonderful cat, and this experience has quite literally convinced me to get a cat one day. I need a cat now, and I have no doubt that she will find a great home soon. My finger hurts. It's like eating away at the flesh on my thumb. How do I fix that? Next time you're outside, I urge you to take a moment to just stop and notice the things around you, like how the breeze might be hitting your skin, the leaves blowing in the wind, or the different colors of the flowers, the grass, the dirt. Just take a moment to stop and feel.